Hey guys, welcome to our first ever Cartel design. This is the 8-car garage. So come on through, let's go for a walkthrough. Straight off, you do a large front entry with its own little nook, and then straight away onto your right, this is the theatre. Done double doors, nice big open theatre in this section. Everything's been set up so the client's done some conduits as well, so then you can feed your HDMI when this is a wall hung TV, so you get zero cables hanging out to come through. So straight up theatre is that entry nook or recess, what's it called, like a foyer? And now into the master. So the master is massive, ready for, so you're gonna have a king size bed this way, facing onto the wall hung TVs. Again, conduits running through, combined walk-in robe, and then into the ensuite. So the client has chosen, they actually had the glass mirror, we're going to remove it and do some two individual instead that the client wants. And then into the beautiful ensuite, you've got your twin showers with the freestanding bathtub and the soap niche, full height tiling with the miter edging. And coming back through, so even with the twin basins here, big above counter sinks, set of drawers in between, and then spare toilet as well. So what we've also done is we've actually recessed the cabinetry so it gives that semi-floating look. We'll talk the small little details when you start combining. Actually, here's a really cool one. If you actually follow, the client actually asked the tiler to actually follow the line of the actual cuts. So you've done one here, and even in the ensuite here as well. So the cuts actually follow, so it looks like it's just been cut out just for it. So it's the small intricacies that really start giving the character of a home, that how much thought has been put into it. Come through, nice big wide hallways. Got separate linen in here, quite a large linen as well, so it's a big storage area. And we're coming through. The first thing on your right you're going to see, this is a separate mudroom. So this is a 5x3 with two laundries, or a laundry and a mudroom, and the 8-car garage. So it's got a separate toilet, or like a powder room with its own basin. It's got its own separate shower section, both for adults and also as a little dog shower as well. And then separate sink and basin in here with a washing machine. And like we said, it flows straight out onto the 8-car garage. So we'll go into there. Full epoxy floor, hoist section. Hoist is being installed early next year. 8 cars. So we've got 3 massive sectional roller doors. 1 on the rear and 2 on the front. These are proper size doors. So we're talking well over 12 meters wide and over 10.5 meters deep. So come through. Crawling through, let's go to the rest of the home. Walking straight in, you've got a massive open area, so enormous kitchen scullery. We're leading in dining, leading out to the fresco. So as you see, the client has done some panelers drawers, so this is your reverse bevel edge, so how it's got that cut down. All the pot drawers, pantry, scullery, really nicely and well thought out. We've got a theatre that's tucked right into here, so it's just off of the living area. And now we'll come through and go to the rear section of the home where the minor bedrooms and activity is as well. And the laundry too. So we'll start all the way down to the end of the hallway. This will be, let's go to bed number 2. All the minor bedrooms will fit a queen bed as well as its own built-in robes as well with a shelf and rail. So this is bed 2. Bed 3. The laundry with an overhead cupboard and room for washing machine and dryer stacker. And so there's a built-in linen with a broom closet for, which is really handy if you've got any stick vacuums or anything like that. Go through the spare bathroom, so your toilet, spare bathroom, and this client has done all of the small upgrades that we love to explain. So I'll quickly go through. We recommend you do your tile nip wall, which creates a ledge, extend the mirror, normally it's to here, extend the mirror all the way through so that you don't have a random empty gap. We've recessed as well the cabinetry as well, so it really creates, it's just a dead bone stock spare bathroom, and it does look $1,000,000. And in here, we've upgraded the bathtub. This is an inset bath, so this is actually capable of fitting an entire adult rather than just little kids. So let me show you. We're on. So it's just good to see, like, if you don't have the room for freestanding bathtubs, that's a really good idea. Come through, separate activity, which is for the kids, which is going to have, again, its own little TV with the conduits already separated. And now beds 4 and 5. Come on through, we'll go to the backyard. So this design we've adjusted a little bit. This is on 840 square meter block. It's fucking huge. So, hence the whole 8-car garage. Come through, so we've got a massive, big open alfresco area, which has been recessed, as you can see, with gyprock ceilings. Client's doing full exposed zag. Now that they just picked up the keys today, they're going to be doing a full exposed zag, pull, and they've still got drive-through access and enormous backyard. Rather than being to the back, we've got a lot of width on this specific corner block because it's sitting on a cul-de-sac, so it's really nice and a lot more secure and a lot more safer for the kids as well. So huge, 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 huge. So stoked, super stoked that we actually got to do our very first Cartel design, and it's an 8-car garage as well. So size of the block you need for these is definitely in that bigger range, and that's 700 plus. Because we need that big width for the garage. But this is the house design, which is very similar to a few others we've got in construction. Let us know what you think. If there's anything we can change, or if you want to see more of these, let us know.